going to go to the New York Times today, and let's just compare these websites. Our networks in here are always unpredictable, so I have no idea what we're going to find. They are slow today. You know, you could help me out if you're on Wi-Fi, if you could just get off. I'd appreciate it. We're having a little problem here. I don't know what's wrong with our networks. All right. We're going to switch over to some backups here. I have a feeling we might have the same problem. Oh. There we go. Yes, I know that. I don't want the cellular data network. Well, geez, I don't like this. All right, let's go back to primaries. I'm afraid I have a problem, and I'm not going to be able to show you much here today. I can show you some pictures in the camera roll. Let's just go take a look at some photos here. Take a look at that. Same photos. Pretty different. Again, same photo. See the difference? You can really see it around the eyes, the teeth. So it kind of just comes down to what do you want to be looking at all day long? And try one more time here. Boy, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. Oh, here. Oh. Scott, you got any suggestions? We're actually on Wi-Fi here, so all right. Well, we're going to hope that things get fixed before my next demo here.